we present to you ROBOCAT 2023, an edition where sustainable agriculture will become essential. The arena will be divided in 5 zones: the starting area, the collection baskets, the field, and the exchange area.
In this year's edition, during the 2-minute game, the teams will have to collaborate in order to collect and exchange the maximum number of fruits possible.
Participants can bring 1 or more autonomous robots, build and program with whatever they consider most appropriate. In addition, if robots are themed in reference to the challenge, they will be awarded with additional points.
In the field, each team will find 3 fruits to collect: 8 apples, 6 cherries, and 4 pumpkins. When shaking the tree to obtain the fruits, teams must take care of the ecosystem without disturbing the nest above. If the egg falls, the team will be penalized.
ROBOCAT 2023 stands out for its collaborative part. During the game, teams will be able to interact with each other throughout the pumpkins. These fruits will have to be carried to the other field, obtaining 80 points per pumpkin.
This way, the other team will be able to collect and put them in any of their collection baskets, obtaining 40 points per pumpkin.
This is how, for the first time, alliances will be formed between the participating teams.
In the elimination rounds, alliances will have to work in perfect harmony in order to reach the final.
At the same time, teams can also score individually with the apples and cherries.
In the first case, the robot will be able to shake the tree so that the apples fall.
You can also pull the cherries to pick them. In order to be able to score, the fruits must be taken to their respective baskets, obtaining 50 points per each fruit.
Fruits stored in the wrong basket will give less points. Robotaires, be alert, it's harvest time.
ROBOCAT 2023 has just begun.
For more information, see the official ROBOCAT website.